Hey there everyone, it is Tuesday, October 6th, the morning of, here in the United States. Just wanted to bring a brief update to my video here about the news story about the Independent declaring that there was some sort of secret meeting took place, between the Arab states, Russia, China, and so forth, the usual suspects. And I think what's kind of interesting about the story too is the fact that they mentioned the French were in on this as well. So, and that does add a little bit of interestingness to it, if I could use that word. So either the story is completely just bull, or there's something to this. Anyway, my response basically is not to confirm or deny, or to debate whether or not the story is true or not. I don't know. I certainly wasn't there. None of us were there, so we don't know if this is true or not. But the point of the thing is here, and this is what I want to try to convey upon people, is the psychology of the marketplace is what's going to be very important here. Now this kind of let the cat out of the bag, if you will. And this question that they ask, the Arab the Arab not prime ministers, but the important people, because they're in Istanbul right now and attending a meeting with a lot of our officials are there as well. But the Arab officials, things like that. They ask them this question, do you confirm or deny this? Well, of course they're going to deny it. I mean, they still have skin in the game, right? I mean, they don't want the dollar to fall completely apart yet. They have to quietly exit if this is their plan, of course, right? So if they quietly exit, they're not going to come out and say, oh, absolutely, it's true. But this is one of those questions. It's a are you still beating your wife question, right? I mean, what are you going to say? I mean, are you still beating your wife? Well, no, of course not. What are you going to say? So again, I think what's important is the psychology here in the marketplace. I think what this does, though, is put a kind of a specter of doubt in people's minds as to the viability of the dollar going forward. And that's what's important. Not whether the story is true or not per se, but rather what the psychology and how this is going to be taken. Of course, we have them selling overnight, as you would expect. Dollar right now, as of this moment, is at about 76.36, so pretty low, but it's certainly nothing catastrophic. One thing that's very interesting is the gold market. At least as of this morning, it's about 10.28 per ounce, which I believe is a certainly a new high for the year, probably a new high for the last several years. I know it's a high in nominal terms, but when you count for inflation, I don't think we're anywhere near those highs. But at least on nominal terms, it's definitely a new high. So I think we need to continue watching the dollar. I think the mentality of the markets and the traders is going to be extremely important. The story, true or not, it's almost not that relevant, but it's the psychology, like it usually is in every single marketplace, it's going to be very important. So anyway, I'll provide more updates as I have them throughout the day. And anyway, just take care out there, guys. Just enjoy the day. It's all you can do right now. And just prepare just in case this is it. I don't know if this is the big one or not, but it doesn't hurt to prepare. There's just nothing but, if anything, it's just an insurance policy. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Take care, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye now.